Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide on the best unlocked game websites. I'm going to be sharing with you the best unlocked games websites 2026. Please, first time if you're coming across this channel, please do to subscribe to this channel. So, without much of a time, let's dive right into the video. So, all you need to do, you need to go to your Chrome or your browser, any browser, and on the first game here, I'm going to be sharing with you kumatsgames.com. Go to your browser and search for kumatsgames.com. You'll be able to see a lot of games you play on your Android. And then the next in my list here is Pocky Games. So you can go ahead and type in Pocky Games and click on the first link at the top of the screen, and you are going to be able to see the games on the website. So here are a list of games on the website. You can see Subway Sub, you can see Sticker, and others. And go ahead and enjoy whatsoever game you want. The third on my list here is Mini Sleep. Okay, you can go ahead and tap on the first link, and it is going to open up. So here is the Mini Sleep app. You can go ahead and play whatsoever game you want to play as well on this website. So the fourth on my list here is Crazy Games. Okay, Crazy Games. I'll go ahead and open up the website, and you'll be able to play any game you want to on the website or your Android device. So here's a list of games on this website. As you can see here, we have a lot of games, crazy games to play on it. So if you're trying to find anything difficult on this channel, I won't hesitate to give you guys feedback. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.